Okay guys, welcome back to Gamers Planet for you. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the alpha trigger in Geometry 2.11. Let's get right into it, guys. The alpha trigger can make blocks invisible. Let's put the most standard blocks here, guys. Right now, guys, it was just lagging. As you can see, you can see it. But how about I add this? So guys, yeah, add the block you want to turn the alpha. So guys, alpha trigger is used for making blocks invisible. So add the block you want to turn invisible, all of them to group 1. Then guys, next you're gonna go in here. Select the alpha trigger, put it at the starting of the level, guys. Fade time is how long it takes to fade to the amount. So guys, group ID 1, fade time 1.0, opacity 0. So let me show you. Why was it not working? Okay, so guys, as you can see, it takes 1 second for it to turn completely invisible. But guys, if you wanted it invisible at the very starting of the level, drag that to 0. So both are 0. And you can't even see it. That's actually, look at how cool that is, guys. Can't even see it. So, I'm going to put blocks here. I'll also add that to group 1. Oops. It's going to, now, guys, if you jump, you die. So that's pretty awesome, guys. That's how to use the alpha trigger. Now I'm going to go more into the level. I'm going to make almost... Okay, so we're going to add that to group 2, guys. Then, guys, we're going to place an alpha trigger near that spike. Fade time 0.0. But, guys, you could put it at like 25 opacity and the spike won't be that visible. I'll show you what I mean, guys. Okay, I forgot to put it into the group, guys. So group ID 2. And now, the spike isn't that visible, guys. As you can see, the spike is a little bit visible, but before you pass it, the spike will be completely visible. Then once you pass it, the spike can be a little bit visible. So guys, yeah, that's how the alpha trigger works, guys. You put it in the same group as a block you want to turn invisible. Fade time 0.0, kind of looks like a face. Opacity, guys, you can choose that. You can choose fade time and opacity. Fade time just how long it takes to turn invisible, and opacity is if it turns invisible, or if it's like halfway invisible, or 1/4 invisible, guys. So, yeah, guys, that's how the alpha trigger works. And here's something pretty cool, guys. If you delete the alpha trigger, you can see the block again. Undo it, you can't. So, kind of like this, guys. So yeah, that's how the alpha trigger works, guys. You just take an alpha, you put it in the same group as the object you wanted, and then opacity and fade time, how long it would take to fade. Opacity is how bright the object is, if it's invisible or halfway invisible or 1/4 invisible. So yeah, guys, that's how the alpha trigger works. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to quickly change the background to one of the same blues as in the last trigger video. And guys, subscribe for more trigger tutorials. Yeah, guys, for now, bye. See you next time on Gamers Planet. Bye. Bye.